Apple cider vinegar is said to be an effective way to cut off fat. But does it actually work? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. Apple cider vinegar is made in a two-step fermentation process. First, apples are cut or crushed and combined with yeast to convert their sugar into alcohol. Second, bacteria is added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. In one small study in 11 people, those who took vinegar with a high-carb meal had a 55% lower blood sugar response 1 hour after eating. They also ended up consuming 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. Apple cider vinegar may promote fullness, which can decrease calorie intake. However, some people with gastroparesis may have a condition that makes this effect harmful. In a 12-week study, 144 obese Japanese adults consumed 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar drink every day. This is what changed in those consuming 2 tablespoons of vinegar per day. 3.7 pounds weight loss. 0.9% decrease in body fat percentage. 26% decrease in triglycerides. Hence, according to this study, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your diet can help you lose weight. It can also reduce your body fat percentage, make you lose belly fat, and decrease your blood triglycerides. Studies of apple cider vinegar for weight loss have not consistently shown significant and sustainable weight loss across diverse groups of people. But when you are trying to lose weight, every small step counts, and hence apple cider vinegar is definitely worth a try. Do you want us to make more videos on weight loss tips? Comment and let us know. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.